Some customers call this truck 5-star mobile mansion for pigs. Let's see whether they are right or not. 8.6 meter tank is much lighter than the conventional 9.6 meter one, with good passability and a reasonable stratification, so that both big and small pigs can be really comfortable. The lift-top tailgate is hydraulic driven. The umbrella top and the dual-channel design is convenient for loading and unloading, saving both time and labor. Temperature monitoring, water spray system, air conditioning, video monitoring, and the drinking system are all available. There's an old saying in China, as the wheels turn, good luck continues come. I wish all of our customers a prosperous business and a fortune.